Good morning, you all, honorable guest speakers, respected teachers, my friends, research scholars, my dear students, and all the participants of this international webinar in life sciences. Myself, Dr. Pitambar Humne, founder Botany for You, Associate Professor and Head Department of Botany, Dharampet MP Dev Memorial Science College, Nagpur, MS, India. Welcome you all in this 2 days international webinar and inauguration of National Teachers Organization in Life Science. It is an honor for me to share my views with you all, which will reflect the working of Botany for You yesterday, today, and tomorrow. Most of you are well known about the Botany for You, an online platform for the students of life sciences. It is a matter of great pride for me to introduce this platform in front of you. This online platform, having more than 8,000 registered members from all over the nation, belong to more than 25 states of India, and few are even from other countries. This platform is for everyone who is a learner in life sciences, which may be the student, which may be the research scholar, or even which may be the teacher. Basically, everyone is student for her whole life. Hence, it is the continuous process to acquire the knowledge from different fields and sources. We will try our best all the time in future to share such useful knowledge with respect to field of life sciences from expertise associated with us from India and abroad. I am confident that the knowledge shared through this online platform, Botany for You, will be definitely helpful to every stakeholder in life sciences. Since the inception of this online platform, Botany for You, that is 7th May 2020, we are continuously working to share the knowledge with the students of life sciences by organizing workshops, seminars, lecture series, etc. useful in academic, in life sciences, opportunities in education, career opportunities in life sciences, as well as other fields in India and abroad, and personality development. Till today, we have organized 3 days national workshop for the students of life sciences from 25th to 27th May 2020. The second program was organized as one-day lecture series on career opportunities in life sciences on 11 June 2020. Another 2 days national workshop for the student of life sciences were organized on 25th and 26th June 2020 on career opportunities in life sciences and personality development. And recently, we have organized 5 days national workshop on CSIR UGC NET JRF LS preparation in life sciences from 21st to 25th July 2020 in association with Dharampet MP Dev Memorial Science College, Nagpur, Bhavans College, Andheri West, Mumbai, Shivaji College, Amravati, and Shri Shivaji College of Arts, Commerce and Science, Akola. This workshop was given as a part 1, and subsequent such workshop will be organized in every month till December for the students in life sciences who would like to make their career in research and teaching field in higher education. I am very much hopeful that all parts of this workshop will bring most of the syllabus of CSIR UGC NET JRF LS in our YouTube channel Botany for You. The second part of this workshop is already scheduled from 17th August to 19th August 2020. Today, we are here in 2 days international webinar and inauguration of National Teachers Organization in Life Sciences. In this international webinar, on first day, we have Professor Surendra Singh from Jabalpur, Madhya Pradesh as a keynote speaker. The second lecture will be delivered by Mr. Greg Rackett from Australia, who is a passionate plantsman. And for the third guest lecture, we have renowned person from the field of biotechnology, Professor C.N. Khobragade from Nanded University, Maharashtra. On second day of this international webinar, first guest speaker is Professor Mamin Daniel, who is presently Director for Daniels Laboratory, Vadodara, Gujarat. The second guest lecture will be delivered by Dr. Jitendra Gaikwad from Germany, and our third speaker is Dr. Girish Kumar Rasineni from Hyderabad, Telangana. All these guest lectures are very much different in its content, and it will give us definitely new information through this platform in this international webinar. National Teachers Organization in Life Sciences is established under Botany for You to associate all the teachers working in teaching, learning, practices and research in life sciences. In future, the efforts will be made to bring the teachers, faculties, resource person from in and around the globe on this online platform so that everyone in life sciences may take the advantage of this platform in research and teaching learning practices. Soon we will have national and international collaborations with different research institutes working in life sciences. This will definitely help every associated member to boost their research activities in future. The National Teachers Organization in Life Sciences, that is NTOILS, will continuously work in discussion and sharing of knowledge and skills among the registered members all over the nation through our Telegram group. The discussion forum will be made available weekly or if needed twice a week to discuss the ideas in research, teaching, learning and technology useful for upcoming blended teaching in life sciences. Also, there will be online frequent meetings for every discussion so that the participants can discuss the issues face to face and to know each other for future communication and collaboration. Every week will be dedicated for particular topic for life sciences for the discussion so that the discussion will be fruitful. There will be many rules for this which will be shared through Telegram group and will also be available on our website. After inauguration of National Teachers Organization in Life Sciences, the group Telegram will be open for the discussion and sharing of ideas as stated above. Active participation of every member of NTOILS is expected in discussion and sharing of their knowledge and skill useful in teaching, learning practices and research. This will help in generation of new avenues in the field of collaborative research and upcoming blended teaching learning practices. The NTOIL membership given to the teachers is for the session 2020-21 and later on they need to register afresh through our website www.botanyforyou.com, which will be live from 15th August 2020. All type of registration links will be available on this website. There will be three type of registrations through Botany for You. First one registration is for the students of UG, PG and research scholars under category of students. This is free registration. Any learner in life sciences, even the teachers can register through this link and join the Telegram group for this. All the lectures available on our YouTube channel are guided and instructed through this Telegram group to every participant. Second type of registration is for the teachers in life sciences on Botany for You. And the third type of registration for National Teachers Organization in Life Sciences, that is NTOILS. Life membership of Botany for You will be automatically the membership of NTOILS. The details regarding the membership, facilities, registration charges, mode of payment, etc. will be available on the website. Interested students, research scholars and teachers are requested to visit our website from 15th August 2020. After completion of this webinar, the feedback form will be shared on Telegram group so that every participant can fill and submit it. For the certificate, kindly comment on the respective lectures so that software can detect your presence in this webinar. This is important for the generation of the certificates as the certificates will be generated automatically with response to the feedback and comments both. Kindly write your name properly in feedback as well as comment as it will appear on the certificates. Manual certificates will not be given to anyone for this participation. Here I am taking pause to my words as you are eagerly waiting to hear the speakers in this international webinar. My sincere thanks to all of you for your registration and participation in this international webinar. I am also express my deep gratitude to our honorable speakers, Professor Surendra Singh, Mr. Greg Racket, Professor C.N. Khobragade, Professor Mamin Daniel, Dr. Jitendra Gaikwad and Dr. Girish Kumar Rasineni for accepting our invitation for this international webinar as guest speakers. It's my proud privilege to utter my heartfelt thanks to my all friends in life sciences from all over the nation who are always encouraging me in organization of various events through this online platform Botany for You. I also express my sincere thanks to my friends and founder members of Botany for You, Dr. Nishikant Vase, Dr. Nitin Labhane, Dr. Tushar Wankhede and Professor Deepak Koche for their continuous working, support and cooperation in every event organized through this online platform Botany for You. At last, I remember the words of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, which are very much essential in today's scenario of education in the nation. I would like to share with you. He said, educationists should build capacities of the spirit of inquiry, creativity, entrepreneurship and moral leadership among the students and become their role model. I hope you will remain associated to achieve such a goal in our life in this process of percolation of the knowledge through this online platform Botany for You. So, dear friends, please enjoy all the sessions in this 2 days international webinar. Thank you very much, you all, once again.